Hi, my name's Kip, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're making New York-style cheesecake, and we've just got done showing you how to make your own self-rising flour if you don't have any, and now it's time to combine the rest of the ingredients for the pastry crust. Now it's time to go ahead and add our butter. Now this is a point, and you're going to want to make sure that your hands are very clean, obviously, when you cook anything. Make sure your hands are washed. But we do a lot of hand work when we bake. A lot of folks don't realize that we don't use a wooden spatula or spoon to mix and knead doughs when we either have a piece of equipment to do it or we use our hands. Now for this pastry, since it's not a fluffy or a flaky crust like you would use on a apple pie or biscuits are flaky, we're just going to massage the butter into the dough. Just kind of squish it on in there. Just a little bit different than we would do. Otherwise we'd be using a pastry knife, which is a tool. If you look at, we have a video up on how to make homemade pie crust. And one of my favorite and most simple recipes is there here at Expert Village. So go ahead and take a look at that. And just kind of work that in with your fingers. Once you've got that so that it feels consistent throughout, kind of crumb-like, but that you feel comfortable that it's fairly well mixed, go ahead and add, at this point, the sugar and work that in with your hands as well.